Wear your helmet. Cover your skin. Put your shoes on. Pull your brake lever, then push your starter. To steer, push to the direction you want to go. Your bike will lean and turn to that direction. Your handlebars will turn itself. Just let your arms and body go with the flow. Use your signal lights when making turns and changing lanes, please. Only use 2 fingers to brake gradually. Front brake has the braking power. Rear is there to assist. Twist the throttle to accelerate. Do it gradually.